Hi guys, and welcome to this new series for the church musician. It has been my desire to explore all the attributes, skills and development of the church musician, and also to be able to help in any way I can those struggling out there with the desire but having problems in the technical area. Dear friends, the church musician is actually under far more musical difficulty than many of the pop musicians. The church musician has to be able to, in many cases, handle everything from contemporary to classical. And the church musician has to be able to switch keys at a moment's notice and to accommodate all sorts of people, maybe even accompany people whose musical abilities are somewhat wanting. Dear friends, the church musician has to be able to rise to take care of a whole heap of different situations that never confront the average musician playing in the world. So I thought that I would share with you some tips and help and suggestions that might make your life as a church musician a little easier. First, let's listen to a contemporary piece.
Praise the Lord, His mercy is more. Stronger than darkness, new every morn. Our sins there are many, His mercy is more. What riches of kindness He lavished on us. His blood was the payment, His life was the cost. We stood before death we could never afford. Our sins are many, His mercy is more. Praise the Lord, His mercy is more. Stronger than darkness is new every morn. Our sins they are many, His mercy is more. Praise the Lord, His mercy is more. Stronger than darkness, new every morn. Our sins they are many, His mercy is more. There are many, His mercy is more.
Dear friends, whether you're playing in a grand cathedral or in a contemporary modern church, there's certain spiritual aspects to the music used in a spiritual setting that we need to consider. And also, dear friends, there is a certain commitment that you would have to your craft, to improving your skill set. And it is these areas that we want to look at. I guess this is the first time I'm appearing with glasses on. As we get older, looking at all these computer screens, and so we need a little help. And dear friends, it's important. I said, well, if I have to wear it to see the music, I could as well appear on the camera with it.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back.
God bless you.
Let us make a commitment together to improve both our musicianship and our relationship with God. So, see you next time, and thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel.